welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do enjoy my video today. Oh, and also hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you don't miss when I upload a video. So today's video, I'm looking kind of crusty, dusty. I have my glasses on, all that. It's like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night. Don't ask me why. I just wanted to get on camera and record something for you guys. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna be reverting my hair back to curly. It's only been a few days, but I'm kind of over it now. So sorry if you guys see a glare as well. Like I said, my glasses, I have them on. I didn't feel like putting my contacts in. And yeah, I do have on a do-rag because I couldn't find my scarf, so I just put this on. I don't know what it looks like under here, so y'all just don't drag me. Okay. Okay, so right now I have it, it's already starting to revert in the bag here, like from me taking a shower. But I have in this little like bun situation here. I don't know what to call this. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have something to do tomorrow and I don't want to walk around looking crazy. There's a fly in here. Move this up some. Really don't know that. It's still fairly straight, like in my roots and stuff. This is what we're looking like. It's been in a ponytail for like about 2 days now. It's been in a ponytail, so this is what we're looking like. Yeah, we're looking crazy. So I'm just gonna revert back to my curls. To do that, I'm gonna just be using this spray bottle and I'm going to be using this Dove mask. And the reason why I'm just using the mask and not like a conditioner or whatever, because I want to deep condition my hair, and this is for damaged, regenerate hair, strengthen hair, weakened by severe hair erosion. Because I'm straightening my hair, I feel like this would be the best thing for me to use because my hair technically, this damn fly. Technically, when I straighten my hair, I damage it a little bit, so I just want to use this just to make sure that my curls, I mean, if my curls are damaged, they're going to be damaged, but I just want to help them out a little bit with this repair mask. And I don't really need a comb, but I have one just in case, because my hair obviously isn't tangled at all. So let's go ahead and revert my hair, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just gonna start in the back here. I'm not really gonna be taking small sections per se. Just gonna be sectioning my hair off just to make sure I get every curl. And then I'm just gonna take this clip here and just pin the rest up. Obviously all my hair is not gonna be pinned. Okay, this is acting like it doesn't even wanna pin up. Okay, so this is what we got, y'all. Alright, so I'm just gonna first start by just spraying this section down with some water. Yeah, if I wanted to turn back and not revert my hair, see, the water is just falling off my hair. It's like beating up and falling off. If I didn't want to revert my hair back, yeah, it's kind of too late now. So I'm just working this water in. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna add the deep conditioner. Just gonna add a small amount. They kind of coming back. I can feel the curls coming through. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Obviously you guys can't see what I'm doing back here, but I'm pretty much just raking the deep conditioner in my hair. This deep conditioner feels amazing, by the way. Spray it with some water, some agua. Work it in, because if not, this water is just gonna fall right off my hair. Just gonna spray a little bit more. People like to play tricks around here. I don't know what's wrong with these people. It's like somebody's trying to come through the damn wall. I need to move. Oh, and you guys. So I know this ain't supposed to be, well, this video can be whatever I want it to be, but it wasn't supposed to be like a little talk through. But y'all, I'm planning to do something really big, well, really big in my book, soon. So when everything falls into place, this conditioner feels so good. When everything falls into place and like I get everything situated, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what that is, so you guys aren't like, I don't want to speak too much on it, because if I do, you guys are kind of going to know what it is. But yeah, I'm planning to do something really big soon. I haven't really told anybody but my husband, but like I said, when everything falls into place is when you guys will know. Just so I give you guys updated on my life. Look at my curls, they are back, honey. All right, now let's keep moving on. The same thing. But no, you guys, I'm really trying to get my life together. Like, that's why I said I have something big that I have coming soon, that I have happening soon. Because like I'm not really satisfied with how my life is right now, and it's kind of a bummer to me. Like, my job choices and where I've been working, I'm not okay with, just simply because they haven't been jobs that I've really been, you know, willing or like excited or happy to, you know, do every day. So like I'm trying to find something that I really like doing. And at my age, I'm 22, if you guys were wondering. I'm 22 years old now, and I feel like, yeah, I'm still young, but it's like I'm tired of working these little petty, you know, these little jobs that aren't gonna get me anywhere. Like I'm just sick of it. I wanna find me a job and stay there and retire. Cause like these jobs that I've been doing, it's like, yeah, they're good jobs, they're okay jobs, but they're not retire worthy jobs, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a big decision. Let me stop talking about it. And it's really exciting. I'm excited. So you guys, I'm trying to push out some good content for you guys. And I know like a lot of these YouTubers, like big YouTubers, I've been watching some of their videos, and they're, you know, like, this whole YouTube thing is hard. It's hard like mentally, it's hard like physically getting up to record the videos, like emotionally, you know, like it's all three. And it's like, I don't really know how to explain it, but like I'm trying. I feel like I'm putting in a lot of hard work, and yeah, if it was easy, you know, everybody'd be doing it, and I've heard that a lot. But I'm trying to, I don't know like what kind of content that you guys want to see. Like, you guys that are supporting me now, let me know like what kind of content you want to see, what you think will be interesting, because I'm pushing out, you know, content that I think will be interesting, that I would like watching, but I don't know what, you know, everyone will like watching. Of course, if you subscribe to my channel, then you obviously like the content that I'm pushing out. But let me know like different things that you like to see. Like, do you prefer my vlogs? Do you prefer my hair videos? Do you prefer my makeup videos? Do you prefer all three? You know, let me know what you guys want to see, because, you know, I'm trying to push out the best content possible. But yeah, like I said, if it was easy, you know, everybody be doing it. I'm trying to stay consistent and, you know, posting my schedule. If you guys don't know, if you haven't caught on, is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every week I post a video at 12 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I'm doing an okay job. My husband thinks I'm doing a good job. I just have to find a way to like really promote myself to a level where I'm reaching out to, you know, more people, and more people are wanting to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to like figure out the whole lingo, the whole YouTube world, the whole YouTube, you know, how YouTube is ran, like the algorithm and stuff like that. I'm trying to figure that out. Yeah, I'm just trying to push out the best content for you guys. That's all. This conditioner feels so good. So good on my hair. It's ridiculous. Seems like my curls are all back in formation. I'm cringing, I know, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I like to have fun. If you're not having fun, what are you doing? You're not living life right. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta have fun. So I like to have fun. Even if it's a little cringing, a little embarrassing, my son is gonna probably look back at these videos. I got my coffee, caramel iced coffee. I don't drink coffee often, but when I do, I drink me some coffee, y'all. Okay, seems like I'm just gonna add some more. I'm kind of just overdoing it right now, but this feels so good. Oh my goodness. Try to get my edges. All right, so let me show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360. So yeah, my curls are back and I'm happy. I wasn't really feeling the straight hair like that, maybe because I just suck at it. I just sucked at it. I used to be really good at straightening my hair, but that right there sucked. That was not good. I'm gonna wait for my hair to grow out some more, a lot more, before I decide to straighten my hair again. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. I'm gonna put like a plastic bag. You know I do plastic bags. I don't do plastic caps. Nothing like that. I do plastic bags. We do plastic bags around here. They'll probably sit under my hooded dryer for a little bit just so that deep conditioner can soak into my hair because it feels really good on my hair. Let me show you guys again what it is. So yeah, that's what we got. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, like and comment, and hit the notification bell. I'm gonna be saying this a lot, you guys. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye, guys.